Good morning, students. Today is Thursday. Thought of the week. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. Winston Churchill. Students, we have started lesson number 4, that is operations on fractions, and we are going to start with new concept, that is showing fractions on the number line. If a fraction has to be shown on a number line, every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts as the denominator of the fraction. Students, number lines, you know number line very well, which contains integers, that is 0, positive numbers on right hand side and negative numbers to the left hand side. Now what they say, if a fraction has to be shown on a number line, every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts as the denominator of the fraction. Unit distance means the distance between two consecutive numbers, means the distance between 0 to 1, or it may be 1 between 1 and 2, or it may be between 2 and 3 also. Example, let us show the fractions 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 7 upon 3 on the number line. Solution, here the denominator of every fraction is 3. So, every unit is divided into 3 equal parts. For 2 upon 3, if you want to convert this fraction into a mixed number, then its representation is 0 integer 2 upon 3. So, second mark from 0 shows a fraction 2 upon 3. Here I have shown with point A. Here student, if you see this number line carefully, first we are going to convert this 4 upon 3. Conversion into mixed number is 1 integer 1 upon 3. So the first mark after 1 shows a fraction 4 upon 3. And for 7 upon 3, the conversion is 2 integer 1 upon 3. So first mark after 2 shows a fraction 7 upon 3. Students, see this number line. For the sake of convenience, I have taken distance 1 centimeter is equal to 1.1 unit. Therefore, 0 and 1, this is the unit distance, and here the denominator of all the given fractions is 3. Therefore, I have divided this unit distance, that is distance between 0 and 1, into 3 equal parts. Therefore, 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. The first fraction is 2 upon 3, means the second part indicates this fraction, and therefore I have marked this mark as A, and below it I have written 2 upon 3. Second fraction is 4 upon 3 and its representation is 1 integer 1 upon 3, means after 1 complete number, first part. Therefore I have written here point B, and it represents the fraction 4 upon 3. And last one is 7 upon 3, which means 2 integer 1 upon 3, and therefore after 2 first mark, and it represents the fraction 7 upon 3 or 2 integer 1 upon 3. Therefore students, you have to keep this in mind that if you want to show fraction on a number line, the distance between the unit distance on the number line has to be divided into as many equal parts as the number in the denominator of the given fractions. Let's start practice set 11. What fraction do points A and B show on the number lines below? First one, here they have shown the number line, and if you see very carefully, this is 0 and this is 1. The unit distance has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. Here every unit of the number line is divided into 6 equal parts. From 0, point A, this is point A, and if you count the parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th part, therefore from 0, point A is the 5th part, so point A shows the fraction 5 upon 6. And if you count from 0, the point B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is, point B is the fourth part after 1, that is 6 upon 6. So the point B shows the fraction 10 upon 6. Next one, second one here, the unit, if you see very carefully, the unit distance, that is distance between 0 and 1, or 1 and 2, or 2 and 3, is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 equal parts. Here, every unit of the number line is divided into 5 equal parts. So point A represents, this is 1, 2 and third part. Point A represents or shows the fraction 3 upon 5, and point B shows the fraction 7 upon 5. Third one, here they have given points and you have to write down the fraction below. Now 0 and 1, these are the two consecutive numbers on the number line, and therefore this unit distance has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 equal parts. Here every unit on the number line is divided into 7 equal parts. So point A shows the fraction. Students, be careful. Point A is here. This is 7 upon 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore, point A represents the fraction 10 upon 7, or we can say one integer 1, 2, 3, 1 upon 3. And point B shows a fraction 3 upon 7 because it is the third part after 0. Second question, show the following fractions on the number line. Fractions are 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 2 integer 3 upon 5. Here, the denominator of every fraction is 5. So, we have to divide each unit distance into 5 equal parts. I have shown this. I have drawn a number line. I have taken the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have divided each unit distance into 5 equal parts, and therefore first fraction is represented by point A. It is 3 upon 5. Second fraction that is 6 upon 5 is represented by point B, and the third fraction that is 2 integer 3 upon 5, or we can say 13 upon 5, is represented by point C. Students, you have to draw this number line. You have to show the fractions along with the points, and after that you have to write down point A corresponds to the fraction 3 upon 5, point B corresponds to the fraction 6 upon 5, and point C corresponds to the mixed number 2 integer 3 upon 5. Last one, we have to show these fractions 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 2 integer 1 upon 4. Here, the denominator of each fraction is 4. So, we have to divide each unit distance into 4 equal parts. Again, I have shown this. I have drawn a number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have divided each unit distance into 4 equal parts. After that, point A represents the fraction 3 upon 4. Point B represents the fraction 5 upon 4, or we can say 1 integer 1 upon 4. And point C represents the fraction 2 integer 1 upon 4 or 9 upon 4. Below this number line, you have to draw this number line. You have to show all the fractions along with the points. And after that, you have to write down here. Point A represents the fraction 3 upon 4. Point B represents the fraction 5 upon 4, and point C represents the mixed number 2 upon 2 integer 1 upon 4, or you can say 9 upon 4. Students, you have to write down each and everything from all the slides. You have to uh, write practice it 11 also. Complete your work on time. Thank you. See you in the next period.